One word substitution questions asked in IBACIO grade 2nd 2024. Almanac यानी an annual calendar that contains important dates and time. Connoisseur यानी one who is a critical judge of any art. Philistine यानी one who does not appreciate art, literature or music. Utopia यानी an ideally perfect state. Introspection यानी the art of looking into one's mind. Nostalgia यानी pleasure mixed with sadness at recalling happy moments in the past. Hallucination यानी a false perception of things that do not easily exist. Reverie यानी a state of absent minded daydreaming. Embargo यानी an official order to stop doing business with another country. Prodigal यानी spending money freely and rather wastefully. Turncoat यानी one who switches to an opposing party. Insolvent यानी one who is unable to pay debts. Abnegate यानी to refuse or deny oneself. Aggrandize यानी to increase the importance, position or wealth. Philatelist यानी one who collects or studies stamps. Maxim यानी a short pithy statement expressing a general truth or rule of conduct. Egregious यानी outrageous and disgraceful. Gibberish यानी unintelligible speech. Ensemble यानी a group of dancers, actors or performers. Monograph यानी a specialist written work or exhibition on one subject or one aspect. Gambit यानी an act or remark that is calculated to gain an advantage. Indignation यानी anger about a situation that you think is wrong or not fair. Subscribe यानी to pay money to use a product or service regularly. Prescribe यानी to order treatment for someone. Transcribe यानी to put thoughts into written or printed form. Ascribe यानी to attribute a cause or characteristic to something. Arsonist यानी a person who deliberately sets fire to a building. Altruist यानी one who devotes one's life to the welfare of other people. Atheist यानी one who does not believe in the existence of God. Bigot यानी one who has narrowed and prejudiced religious view. Somnambulist यानी a situation in which a person walks around while they are sleeping. Philology यानी study of languages. Graphology यानी study of handwriting. Sephology यानी study of election trends. Theology यानी study of religion. Genocide यानी murder of a whole community or race. Fratricide यानी murder of one's brother or sister. Celibacy यानी the state of remaining unmarried. Supremacy यानी the state of being the most powerful. Posthumously यानी happening after a person's death. Subpoena यानी a written order to attend a court of law to give evidence. Philistine यानी a person who does not like, understand or enjoy the beauty of art, literature, music, etc. अमेट्योर या अमेच्योर यानी समवन हु डज अ पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी एज अ हॉबी नॉट एज अ जॉब. जेरिएट्रिक्स यानी द मेडिकल केयर ऑफ ओल्ड पीपल. कॉम्पंक्शन यानी a feeling of guilt or moral scruple that prevents or follows the doing of something bad. Soporific यानी tending to induce drowsiness or sleep. Idioms and phrases. Questions asked in IBACIO grade 2nd 2024. A dead letter यानी no longer effective. A storm in a teacup यानी a lot of anger and worry about trivial things. A whale of time यानी enjoy oneself very much. Argus eyed यानी carefully observant or attentive. At arm's length यानी to be at a distance with someone. At the 11th hour यानी at the last moment. Go down like a lead balloon यानी to be received badly by an audience. In the heat of the moment यानी overwhelmed by what is happening in the moment. It is a small world यानी you frequently see the same people in different places. Kangaroo court यानी false court. Kangaroo court यानी false court that doesn't follow the legal standards. Keep up with the Joneses यानी to show that one is as good as other people by getting what they have and doing what they do. Kicked up a row यानी created a big fuss. Make no bones about यानी to state a fact so there are no doubts or objections. Never judge a book by its cover यानी the outward appearance of something is not an indication of its value or worth. Pour oil on troubled waters यानी to calm a dispute. Put too many irons in the fire यानी engaged in too many activities. Red rug to a bull यानी someone who especially provokes. Small potatoes यानी unimportant. Split hairs यानी making peevish criticism on trivial matters will not lead us anywhere. The end justifies the means यानी wrong or unfair methods to achieve something. Throw up the sponge यानी to acknowledge defeat. Throw the baby out with the bath water यानी removing and getting rid of things. Under your hat यानी keep something a secret. Vent your spleen यानी to express angry feelings. Synonyms questions asked in IBACIO grade 2nd executive 2024. Word synonyms. Equivocal का synonyms ambiguous. Aegis का synonyms protection. Exemplary का synonyms impeccable. Inertia का synonyms idleness. Glib का synonyms easy. Malign का synonyms evil. Infinitesimal का synonyms insignificant. Entropy का synonyms decay. Corrupt का synonyms depraved. Candid का synonyms direct. Copious का synonyms profuse. Longing का synonyms yearning. Pardon का synonyms remission. Signify का synonyms denote. Hound का synonyms chase. Bereavement का synonyms deprivation. Jolly का synonyms amused. Guilt का synonyms contrition. Inactive का synonyms lethargic. Circumvent का synonyms escape. Trap का synonyms ambush. Audacity का synonyms nerve. Nostalgic का synonyms ड्रीमी। अमेटी का सिनोनिम्स गुडविल। बेलिजेरेंट का सिनोनिम्स कॉन्टेंसियस। बेलिजेरेंट का सिनोनिम्स कॉन्टेंसियस। वैन का सिनोनिम्स फ्यूटाइल। एंटोनिम्स क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड इन IBACIO ग्रेड 2 एग्जीक्यूटिव 2024। वर्ड एंटोनिम्स। कॉर्प्यूलेंट का एंटोनिम्स स्लिम। सार्डोनिक का एंटोनिम्स ग्रासियस। इनकेंटेशन का एंटोनिम्स रियलिटी। रिकाल्सिट्रेंट का एंटोनिम्स अमेनेबल। कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का एंटोनिम्स अकॉर्ड। ट्रांसिएंट का एंटोनिम्स परमानेंट। लामेंट का एंटोनिम्स एप्लॉज। स्टक का एंटोनिम्स फ्रीड। मोरबिड का एंटोनिम्स कॉर्डियल। टॉकेटिव का एंटोनिम्स रेटिसेंट। विटी का एंटोनिम्स लेम। टॉर्पिड का एंटोनिम्स अडायनेमिक। नुइसेंस का एंटोनिम्स डिलाइट। कॉसस का एंटोनिम्स रेकलेस। गैलेंट का एंटोनिम्स क्रावेन। फंक्शनल का एंटोनिम्स ब्रोकन। गुलिबल का एंटोनिम्स सस्पिशियस। जियोपार्डी का एंटोनिम्स प्रोटेक्शन। टीनसी का एंटोनिम्स जाइंट। ड्यूबियस का एंटोनिम्स इंडिस्प्यूटेबल। जाइगेंटिक का एंटोनिम्स माइक्रोस्कोपिक। इंडस्ट्रियस का एंटोनिम्स लेटेंट।